Rescue operations haven't been declared to be ended officially, but here in Aleppo, as we can see through visiting different sites, here the rescue operations are almost done. The government started to remove the rubbles of the collapsed buildings. They are also working now on fixing or pulling down the damaged buildings for the general safety. Also, there are 235 accommodation centers are open now in Aleppo for the people who got displaced from their homes. We saw many of them in the accommodation centers with almost the essential needs, but there is a lack in the essentials in most of the accommodation centers.